And in this morning's medical report, psoriasis is the most common autoimmune disease in the United States.
Now here's the deal. It is often misdiagnosed as a rash or some other skin irritation. That can lead to more severe problems. Sunrise reporter Roland Rodriguez joins us now. Roland, tell us, how serious can this thing get?
Hi, good morning, guys, and good morning, South Texas. Psoriasis affects about, 7.5 million people in the United States, and it can be life-threatening, especially for those who have severe cases of this disease. In a new study, people with severe psoriasis had a 50% increased risk of death compared to people without the inflammatory skin disease.
A significant number of people with psoriasis have increase in heart disease and strokes and things like that. So it's pretty important, if you have severe psoriasis that covers more than 10% of your body, probably to check with your family doctor and make sure that they're monitoring you for any heart disease type things.
Psoriasis is a common skin condition that speeds up the life cycle of skin cells. It causes cells to build up rapidly on the surface of the skin.
There's no cure for psoriasis as of today, but we have multiple treatments, and depending on the severity of the psoriasis, how much of the body area is actually being covered, we can either use just surface treatments, creams, lotions, potions, and things we rub on it, or we can go all the way to the new biologic treatments, which are injectables.
Psoriasis is a chronic disease that often comes and goes. The main goal of treatment is to stop the skin cells from growing so quickly.
And the skin disease can be managed with these newer treatments that we have, however expensive they are, and they are expensive and not all insurance will cover them, but most of the time we can get the skin pretty clear.
There is no cure for psoriasis, but you can manage symptoms.
Most of the people that have psoriasis don't have too many symptoms with it, but it can be very itchy in some cases. So they may have a lot of itching. And a lot of patients find that it's really aggravated when they get under more stress.
And if you'd like more information on this disease, all you have to do is visit our website at KRISTV.com.